Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size. No plan, just vibes, yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfact, and now I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.
This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we're just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We're not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Okay, I don't know. I just got an error. I don't know why. Try it again. Okay. That's funny. That's a weird chat screen there. Is that even working? Sound check, please. Sound check, please. Sound check is working. Omnius is writing, so he gets to be. He gets his XP points. Funny. At least that's... Holy shit. Wow. I'm late by a half an hour. I'm panicking. I'm saying, I'm late. There's two Renko bars. Remember, I don't trade off this chart here too much. You see the white ones? No. That's the one I trade off of. And, yeah, it's this one and this one. These are bullshit bars. I'm looking over here on Topstep. Trading view. It smells good. Guess what we're having for supper today? Fried chicken and mashed potatoes. Nightbot wins. Nightbot always wins. Okay, so I was not watching the markets in the afternoon. Sorry, I told my son, don't even go on the fucking computer because it's dead. Did you see the shorts video recap? Nah, I'll go soon. Wow, look at this crazy. I worked on a video, though, an 8-minute video on psychology and on my clicker. What is this? 828. Woo-wee! Like 40 points. 40 points from, what's this? 10, ends at 10, ends at 10:30, ends at 11. From 11 o'clock until the end of the day. 40 points. Oh, this is getting bad. Is there music in it? Do I have to watch what I... Wow, why is my audio mixer not even on? That's weird. Is there music in it? Do you know? Anything? Any music in the beginning, in the middle? Anything I got to be aware of if I play it on my channel? My son took over my computer. I'm not allowed on it. Yeah, but you know, oh, you don't know if there's music in it? How you... Oh, yes, music. Okay, then I have to turn the volume off. Let me figure out how to do that. Should be an audio. Where is it? Where the hell did the external audio go? I don't give a shit. Getting fed up with trying to figure this all out every time. Nope. That didn't put in the audio. So that's it. Audio's gone. Just flew away. You know the audio that I bring in when you come onto the stream? That audio's gone. I mean, it's not a big problem. Just go back and add a source application audio. But still, how did it just disappear on its own? Crazy, crazy. And look at my camera. It's not even the right size. Not even in the good spot. It moved. It's a little smaller than it should be. Okay, let's fix it. I got nothing to do. Markets, not markets. The markets aren't going anywhere. What is this? I don't even know which room I'm in. Am I in private? Yep. Okay, let's stretch it out a little bit. No, I said stretch it out a bit. Let's go there. Wow, this is insane that you have to do this so often. Make it a little bit deeper. Hello. Hello, hello. I don't want the green line. And let's go a little bit to the side here. And let's stretch it. Hey, 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 hey. Don't get excited. And it's good enough. Lock it. It's a good thing they have that lock. Doesn't even work. Yes, music. I could only do 1 minute for the video. It was a tight fit. How tight? Let's go watch the video. There's no audio. No, there's no audio. Okay. What the hell just happened here? What? Not going to ask questions. What about these? I asked you something before about my remember I asked you about those emails I get where I lost my access to my advanced features? What about these? Do you get these comments all the time? Thanks for the breakdown. Just a quick off topic. My wallet holds this seed phrase, blah, 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 blah. I get them every single video. I get one and I have to remove it. I'm wondering if you get those also. Maybe that's why I'm a little bit, what do they call it? Not blacklisted, but dark screened or something like that. Shadow banned. Because I'm always removing comments. No, serious, you get those comments with the seed phrases or whatever? No, I don't see a video. Oh, you made it a short. You made it. Okay, I was going to say, I don't see it. Stay focused. Oh, that's not you. Omnius. Look at that. That's funny. What is this again? Holy shit, 78 views. You should have a subscribe button in there. Call to action for your channel. You get a lot of views. You should be getting subscribers, bud. Let's click it and see. Okay, I'm pausing it. So you're starting off with the clip that makes me look like an idiot, huh? That's good. Oh, wait. Hold on. Is there I have a scroll bar? No. Okay, I can't fit it all on my screen. Holy shit. Holy shit. It is funny. It's excellent. Are you kidding me? I love it. Moen means Monday. I didn't see you do that. That was good. Excellent clip. Phenomenal. Really phenomenal. One clip. It hits hard. It's funny. I love it. Where do I subscribe? Yeah, you're just missing the call to actions or to let people know that you stream. Okay. Wow, what's the point of streaming? Seriously. We're not going anywhere. Really, really. The markets are broken. I mean, I don't want to be, could have done with 3 minutes. Just wish it was longer. No, that's excellent. But I do have one question. Do you have to post it as a short? If it's 1 minute or less, can you actually post a video, not put hashtag shorts and put it in your video folder? No, you don't get to put it in your video folder, right? YouTube decides, okay, so what if it's under 1 minute, but you don't put in hashtags, you don't put in hashtag shorts? No, that's good. Like I said, the only thing I think you're missing is somewhere, I think you're wasting real estate. Hold on. Let me go see it again. It was a clip. Clip clop. Volume is still off. Yes, shorts. Yeah, I think you're wasting real estate. Yeah, smash the like. You're right above you. Smash the like. Uh, yeah, that would have been, in my opinion, much more powerful if it said live stream Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. or whatever time you want to put, or subscribe. But the problem is with the shorts, there's really no subscribe button, eh? There's a tiny one. I think somewhere at the bottom, somewhere. You can't even see it. I don't even see it. I got Omnius Trades. I got created from Omnius Trades. I got what day is this again? Dream Screen AI, viral video shorts, live day trading NQ, all-time highs. I don't even have a subscribe button. Then I have a picture. I have share. I have comments, like and dislike. So yeah, I would probably use that space on top, and instead of saying smash like, I would put Bulenox, code Omnius. That's great. And live streaming Monday to Friday, 9:15 a.m. Get rid of the like thing. Only my opinion. Or have all three of them. Have the like, as you probably want the likes, you know, that it gets promoted. But he's giving me a lesson on what it is. MON. Good clip. Everything in the video is from the stream. Yeah, no, I know. But over your head, I'm just saying there's that box there. I know that's in your stream. And I know you don't want to change it in your stream and saying, but what you can do is you can just take an image and in your sources, put it on top. So it'll dominate on top. It'll cover that area there. And you can make it the exact, make it a little MP4 video, stretch it to that exact size and have your Bulenox, your like, but also either live streaming or subscribe. But like I said, no, I'm not doing a clip. I worked on an 8-minute video. I finished it on psychology. No image. It's a clip. Yeah, no, I get it. I know. I know you have like a little thing going on your stream there. I saw it, animations and stuff. But I'm saying what you do is you create another little animation. And then you bring it in when you make a video and you cover it. You just put one on top of the other. Actually, you had to do some funky business there because I'm in it and I'm not supposed to be under you. I'm on the other side. Right? So you did some moving around? No, I know. Okay. It's Wednesday today. It's from the stream. Where else would I think it's from? I'm going back. What's the Diddy verdict? Does anyone know? I not even want to watch it. Omnius. Let's go back. It's a clip from the stream. Okay. You're pulling my leg. Okay. Let me see how small I can make it. There we go. In your stream. Oh, hold on. I'm not below you like I am over here. You clipped. You took a piece and a piece. You timed them perfectly for the conversation, right? But even so, that's not the point. This piece over here on the top, right there. Go to one of your streams. Okay. Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Hold on. Let's go over here. Go to one of my streams live. Are you going to show me something I don't know? Okay, so here, the last one, or video. Yeah, I'm there. Are you telling me I could make it 9 by 16? Is that what you're going to show me? Okay, here I am. It's playing. Let me go to the middle. There we go. Yeah, I'm on top of you. You're on top of, I'm on top over here. Wee. Show me. Try the dots. Where are the dots? Which dots? No dots. No dots. No dots. No dots. At the bottom. There, yeah. Clip. Okay. Clip, yeah, but you can't make it 9 by 16. Okay, so here I choose the time, let's say. 38:26:4, 38:41. That's only a 15-second clip. Why would it be so short? Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, okay, I choose how much the clip is. Perfect, that's great to know. But still, your clip is 9 by 16. I don't see anywhere here. A clip is a 5 to 60-second part of a video or live stream. A clip loops repeatedly, and all metrics like views will be to the creator's original video. Oh, wow. No kidding. Yeah, might have to be on the phone. Okay, anyways, yeah, you taught me something. I got you. That's what you mean, it's a clip. Okay, I thought you meant you just cut a piece out, you know? Discard clip. There you go, okay. I get you. I didn't know it's a clip. That was a good idea, Bigfoot. I'm watching a lot of videos about Bigfoot lately. I liked it. I didn't leave a comment on this. This is a good one. I like this one. Except there's no time. Live on YouTube, Monday to Friday. What time? Yeah, most people know when the market opens, but still. There's a lot of people out there who you know, need help feeding themselves. Let's just put it that way. Need help putting a spoon to their mouth. So, putting in the time. Guys, I don't know who's on stream, but if anybody's on stream, click the subscribe, click the like button. Let's go. Let's get this stream rocking and rolling. Otherwise, I'm going to have nothing to do here except talk to Omnius and play with my balls. And if you've been part of my stream, you would know what that looks like. If you're not part of my stream, well, you'll just have to wait and see. It's always the highlight of Omnius's day. Ooh, look at that. We got to move from 834 to 846. Who goes there behind me? So yeah, I was telling you I created a video today from scratch. 0000. I just knew the idea. I started at 2 o'clock. I finished at 6. 4 hours. It's an 8-minute video. I guess I didn't save that much time. But the thing is, I did the whole script, the whole voiceover, everything. You know, it's like me. It's not AI. AI generated the images and stuff and helped me with that. But you know, I'm there talking. So and the first 15-second clip took me a very long time. I was having technical problems. It just wouldn't work. It wasn't capturing the volume. I couldn't figure out why. And to be honest with you, I didn't even change anything, and it finally grabbed. You know what I had to do? I don't know if you've ever seen this setting. I got to check my live videos. I actually had to delay the mic. Where's my mic? Where's the audio? I had to do this. I don't know if you're still there, but advanced audio properties. Yeah, here. Sync offset, 167 milliseconds. 1.67 seconds. I had to offset the audio with the video to get it to match my mouth movement. And any idea what this is? Volume 4%? What's 4%? My volume's not at 4%. I lied. Okay, I don't think you lied. I'll go with you made a mistake. Hey, wait a minute here. Something's fishy. Okay, well, let's see what this 4% is. Bum, 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 bum. Wow, look at that. Oh, you don't see my dial. How is this 4%? Anyways, okay, that's good enough. I don't need to understand what that is. Okay, I'm going to go check my live stream and see, hey, what happened? My thing isn't working. I'm going to go check out my live stream and see if my sound is... See if my sound is lined up with my mouth. That would be pretty shitty if it's so off. And if it's not off, then now it's going to be off. What time did you show up this morning? You came in early, I think, eh? 9:23. No, it's perfect. Yep, it's perfect. Men without beards might look like women, eh? You still sticking to that? I didn't say it. He did. How many times am I going to open up Explorer? Unfucking believable. That's all I can say. It's very unfair. Oh, wait a minute. I ask my son all the time why he doesn't have a beard. He's 10. That's why he doesn't have a beard. Still no sound going. Okay, you know what? While I'm here, let's go check for copyright violations or claims or strikes or whatever they call them. Content. Videos. None, 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 none. All good. Shorts. None, 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 none. Live. Restrictions. None, 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 none. Okay, that's good. We're all good. I forgot I was going to do something. Okay, I need a title. The voice in your head is sabotaging your trading. That's the title. I think I'm going more with something like Master This or Nightbot. Why are you playing Deal Me In so frequently? 654. When was the last time you played? $6.45. Oh yeah, okay. It's every 9 minutes. Wow, 9 minutes passed already. So fast. I have a trade at 48. I can get a good price, better price. Click, click. Trade triggered. 46. I'll have to do some research. See what the keywords are, but nobody's interested in trading psychology. I used to watch this guy. I forgot his name. He was bald. I loved his videos. They were good. Long videos, educational. He used to talk a lot about the 3-bar play. But he always said, you guys, you don't watch any of my videos on anything unless it has charts and setups. That's all you guys want to see. Charts and setups, charts and setups. So we used to say, I know. When are you getting to the charts? What was his name, though? Shit, he was really good. Anyways, you know what? It's not going to take me long to find him. All you got to do is type in 3-bar play. He was Mr. 3-bar play. And no, it's not Marty from the moving average, just in case you were thinking about that. Although I like Marty from the moving average too, even though they said he's not really a sincere guy because he's selling courses right now. There he is. He comes up right away. Live Traders. I forgot his name. Is he still even streaming? 385,000 subscribers, and he was complaining. Live. Streamed 3 years ago. He's not even streaming live anymore. No kidding. Is he putting out content? Shorts. Can't tell. Yeah, I remember he was funny. Oh shit, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put out my video in another language. This guy was funny. He used to give him shit all the time. I forgot his name. The guy would come in late. Good trader, but he would come in late and he's you're not taking it seriously. If this is an AI picture, that's really good right here. This one compared to that kind of looks AI-ish. Wow, that's a good job. Videos. 1 month ago. Okay, he's putting out 2 months ago. Where did Jared go? Yeah, that was his name. And what is the future of live traders? Why would he stop with 385,000 subscribers with 30,000 views per video? That's really odd. Doesn't that make you wonder? Well, let's watch it. Ah, Jared's the bald guy. I thought this guy was Jared. He's taking a break. Jared is a legend. Jared will always be #1 in education. Who remembers the 3-bar play? I use it every day and have learned so much. Learned so much from Jared. Jared is brutally honest. The reason I still have an account. I remember I used to skip Jared's lectures because they were too long. One day YouTube auto-played his 3-bar play and I was hooked. Jared's teaching style is what sets him apart. See, that's what people like. Jared is one of the best speakers, teachers. People want to learn. Jared, you're the reason I'm actually succeeding as a day trader. Jared is the GOAT. He helped my trading and discipline. Jared is a special guy. We all miss Jared. Yeah, he was good. I liked him. He was entertaining. One year ago. No, that's not his last. Yeah, I remember now. Hey guys, Jared here. Okay, I remember. 1 year ago. 11 months ago. 11 months ago? 11 months ago. Well, he had a feature in all his videos. When will stop the insanity or something like that? He's here to tell people how great you are if you're not live. You know Oliver Velez by any chance? OV. Not Ovechkin. They also call him OV, Ovechkin. But Oliver Velez. I love him. I love everything he has to say. Everything he has to say is valid. However, I saw him trade and oof, I wasn't that impressed. The guy, all he talks about is how easy it is to trade. You only have to count to 2. Markets go up or markets go down. You buy or sell. That's all you do. You win, you lose. Even a 5-year-old can do it. And then I saw him trade and like he was second guessing himself and he wasn't taking his entries. He was impulsively trading. He was exiting at the wrong time, early, taking his profits early just to show that he was going to make a profit. I guess you got to do that. You know what? Because people don't understand. Someone's watching your stream and he's a first-time watcher. He doesn't understand that if you lose today, you're not a loser. They think you got to win on every damn trade. They don't understand the law of large numbers. Wow, 48.43. Look at that. Woodchip was making fun of my glasses the other day. I didn't even get the joke. Okay, well, we're doing it again. Gold, once again, got down to the previous day's close. Remember, it happened today, and I said, oh, watch it. And it stayed there for a long time. It was here. I was in a long trade. I got out just before, and we stayed for, I don't know, in this area for quite a while. Then we finally broke. Wow, that was a little, oh no, sorry, where was it? It was probably around here. Sorry, I wasn't watching the time. Yeah, I was long from here. I got out just over there, and then we didn't break it. Then we broke it, and we retested, retest. I win on all my trades that I don't lose on. You're lying. It's not possible. Okay. I like that. I got to get sayings like that for Nightbot. So Butterstun said that all you got to do is with Nightbot, all you got to do is delete anything that's not working and redo it. And I tried it and it worked. Everything that wasn't working started to work properly. Even to deal me in, I thought it wasn't working, but it is. It's on a 9-minute. It's on 9, and I think I set it to 9-minute. Let me just check, or did I set it to 11 and it's not working? Nightbot. Wow, that's crazy. 1,971 messages were written in my chat in the last little while, and I only have 3 to 4 people. Omnius trades, messages, 221. What chip beat you with 392? Funny. Cool stats. What did I say I was going to do? Do you remember? Oh, yeah. Timers. See what it is. Are we done? Deal me in. No, every 9 minutes. That's what I set it for. Okay, it's a competition. Waiting for something to set up. I don't know. They're all in Pine Tree's thing. He's got like 200 and something people there. He exploded. They're coming later. They come in at 9 o'clock when he closes down. That's why I got to stay on till 11. I'm going to go check. Okay, I lost my one chatter. Tell him I say hi. Go see what he's doing. Okay. Mm-hmm. Go in an account. We'll share it. Holy shit. No, that's weird. No Joker, no wood chip. Okay. I said he lost 5 pro accounts this week. Yeah, I saw there was a video he wrote about trading on Tilt or something. 2 traders, I think. Is it Luna maybe? Or Mythodical Man? Someone else also I heard lost a bunch of accounts. No PDLL. Need the PDLL. How is that possible? Why is that happening? We're going to find out soon enough. It's funny. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe because of the, look at that. It got so close to my take profit, the gold. Why isn't the gold showing? Got so close again to my take profit. Didn't hit it. Hmm. 48. I could have gotten in at. 42. Right on VWAP. Would have made sense. Is it working? That was pretty quiet. That was very quiet. Anyway, it's good enough. Let's see what happens on the next one. Ah, better. That's what I like. That's what I like to hear. You can't have that sound loud enough. Move my stop. It's not trailing properly. Stop should be there. That's a beautiful stop. Let it go. Booyah. My stop now is down to here. This is a late entry also. You know where this late, I don't know if you're watching, but you know where this entry should have been? Instead of 64.6, it should have been where my stop is at 68. Would have been a nice trade, eh? $6 already on the trailer. Hey, my stop moved automatically. It's trading this chart here. There we go. Now the stop is here. I wanted the $4. 4.6, 0.6. There we go. Cool. That was a fun trade. Yeah. Those are also good clips, or whatever you were calling it, frames or captures, or I have to go back and see what you were calling it. My boys were saying, we'll talk about that later. Might have to be on the phone. Clip at the bottom. Try the 3 dots. Or video. It's a clip. It's taken from the stream. It's not an image. It's a clip. Have you done a clip? Everything in the video. It's a clip. It was a clip. How many times did you tell me it was a clip? Anyways. Let's go back to NQ. Let's go see if I see Discord. Where's Omnius? Omnius playing Fortnite. Yeah, that's so funny. Is he streaming by any chance? Is that what you wanted him to stream, the Fortnite? Well, you just reminded me of something. He's not streaming it. It was a while back. I don't know how long ago. I don't know. I think I streamed from 6 till 10 o'clock. Until 9. Maybe I told you. I think, I'm just going by memory here. It might be wrong, but until like 9:30. Didn't get anyone. I was completely skunked. There was no one in the chat. He's scared. Yeah. You know what? Bring him on your chat, or just have him sit beside you even. Alex, my son, wasn't really into it in my opinion. You know, when he was trading beside me, I don't know if you know, one of my boys used to trade right sitting beside me. And he started to warm up to it, you know, just having the camera there and seeing me talk, and eventually would start to say a sentence or two, and yeah, then he got into it. You just have to get, I think, acclimated. Get over the shyness. Wow, I have 0 shyness now. You know how nervous I was on my first stream? I should go watch it. Yeah, you know what? I should go watch it. Oh, no, I think I removed them. Let me see. Yeah, I think I removed them. That'll be sad. Not to have a record of my first stream ever. I went and watched your early streams. Your first 2 streams. I don't remember my impression. Oh, no, I thought there was a trade. Let's see if my first stream is up. I don't remember. I think it's removed. Nope. Wait, no, live. Wait, let's see. Okay, one of my early streams. We can have an early stream here. Wow, 6 months ago. Ouch. Oh, there's a trade. Let's see if I can get a better price. Nah, fuck it. I'm bored. Markets aren't doing anything. Six is too much. I don't want 6. Hey, that's a pretty aggressive move against me. And my stop is in the right place, actually. NQ, going nowhere fast. In another disgusting range. I'll add the gold. You know what? Joker was doing this. He was adding just before his stop. Those streams were terrible. Yeah, adding just before his stop. Am I back? Trying to get back. I got totally screwed on that trade. But anyways, I guess it's not so bad, but it went deep down. It took a deep dive, and I wasn't around to take advantage of it. We're having a storm here. Lightning, thunder. I'm losing my power. Might go off again. Can't make any promises. Sounds crazy out there. Volume should be 40,000 to what time is it? 7:30. 40 to 60,000 now. It is 14,000. I don't think I've ever seen that. Wow, that's crazy. NQ still hanging around the 22,848 level. Okay, so that worked out a little bit. I mean, could have been worse, right? Could have gone against me, stopped me out on a 6 lot. I wouldn't have been very happy. Where's my audio? Audio mixer. Is this working? Yep, that's good. Put that here. What else do I need? Sources. Screen 2. Okay, we're back up and running. That was painless, easy. Thank you. Happy. Oh, chat. Chat's not up. There we go. Wow. Wow, it is thundering out there. How hard is it raining? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it did. Shut down the power. You took the food out of the oven. Okay. So, I was in the process of going to go see one of my first streams that are still online. That's with the restore pages. Yeah. It was with the YouTube account Prop Junkies. 49 minutes, first stream, 8 views. The same thing for the evals with the funded accounts. So we had these 2 rotations. We swept the highs and the initial balance. You hear it? 11:45, but after that it was pretty much all day selling and closed 100 points off. A little bit of a rebound. I mean, we opened lower. A little bit of a rebound up until 7:20. There, that's Mad Mike. Sellers have taken control again. We've gone below VWAP. We've gone below yesterday's close. We might have a small, the open might be a small gap down. We'll see. It's still early. It's 9:07. We have 13 more minutes. FOMC today, so I don't know if I'm too crazy about. Well, look at my chart setup changed. To be taking too many trades. If that's not something that you're comfortable with, you can lower it, or if you want, not sure. Let's see, I got one. No, it was if you subscribes, I'll trade it live. I'll trade Prop Junkies. Top corner there. You have 5 minutes. If I get a subscriber. Just one. It's a new channel, it's growing. It'll encourage me. It's a new channel. It's growing. I didn't have one subscriber. I was begging for a subscriber. I'm going to trade it on Sim. I actually said if you subscribe, I'll take a trade. I don't even know who I was talking to. Open. Okay, the bell rang. I am short. I will reverse because it won't be a full loss if I have to go long. I'm watching and it looks like the other one he triggered too. Ah! Hey, you can hear my son. Partial. Get out of look, I'm talking to him. Don't do it out. It's not worth it. Wow, short did well. Did you trade the open?
Traded it was long initially.
Yeah.
It wasn't short.
No, I know, but now look at the dump.
Well, I didn't take the second.
Yeah, no, me neither. That was it. So you know what?
Come on, gold, don't start left.
What the hell is that wire? Let me see. Maybe he's in. Let me see if I catch him in a later one. Never ticked above the
Yeah.
session.
There he is. You see him. He already allowed me to put him on screen. That's our setup. On the bottom right corner. That's what I'm looking at. That's my control center. I like that. I like the two camera view. One from front, one from behind.
We'll take a little poke here on the long side. Just
Nothing else to do. We watch the old videos. We're watching old home movies.
go red. Yep. Bad things happen to me because of this stupid trade copier.
I'm complaining about no, he moved out. He doesn't even live here anymore.
Killed my holiday spirit.
What day was this? Stream December 27th. If I could see the time, 9:30, me and him were very active. Do I have the time here on this chart?
14.
I'm supposed to have the time. Oh, yeah, right there on the bottom, 9:51. Okay. So let's go back 20 minutes. 9:41.
Way down there in the open.
44, go to 34, 33.
Seriously.
I think I lost on my first opening trade. I think I went short. Yeah, I'm short. Looks like
one.
Look how serious he is, eh?
Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, you can hear my cat even.
My short. May it go down. Seriously. Okay, first trade a loser. Didn't tank. Let's wait for second entry.
Not even showing the chart that I entered on. Oh, gold's going to take a trade.
I am going to
Really? We're so quiet? You didn't get involved in the conversation?
more cookies for you. Gotta wait. You ready, head? Oh, you gotta be joking me. You did not do that again. Wow.
Was I long on that?
What happened?
I don't look happy. No, I'm short.
Oh, you gotta be joking me. You did not do that again. Wow.
Oh, I gotta see it again. I think my trade copier fucked up. I don't know why I'm complaining.
Wow.
What happened?
I don't even want to know. Oh, the trade copier went in the wrong direction on my other account. This one was my fault. Oh, yeah? Wow, this trade copier, I tell you, my brain's just not there today.
Well, what did you do?
I copied my MFFU to my PA account. My MFFU on the short trade, which I just grabbed, brought me to plus 100.
Mhm.
But the fuck up trade copier actually managed to lose 1,400 on my PA account.
Well, how would it do that? It would have to buy.
I don't know, but because I set it for cross to do minis, so that's 10 times. I should have been on my Apex. I wanted to do it to my 300K, so I clicked the wrong button. But yet somehow it still managed to turn one into a loser when one was a winner. Is that insane or what, eh? And I'm still using it. I'm still using it. Hey, what is that, 54? Let's go, take me out in profit. Don't go to sleep, gold. We're coming up to 8 o'clock. Well, that was a blast from the past. That was very entertaining. That's like 850. Oh my God. This is the tightest range ever. 640 to 740. That's 4 points. 844 to 848. We're in a 4-point range. Okay, well, NQ does nothing and sits in a 4-point range. Let's watch my gold trades. There's a little bit more excitement going on in NQ. Don't do no 4-point range. Well, it did a 4-point range in the last hour. Look at the chart. This is 844 to 848. 746 all the way to 640. Except for a few tiny little spikes. Gold is much more entertaining. Yeah, something's broken. I told you, there's no volume. 10,000 contracts. 15,000 now. There's nobody in the market. It's going to be lame tomorrow, except there's NFP tomorrow, non-farm payrolls. Shit, I better wake up early enough. I'm going to do that again, eh, gold? You're not going to give me another winner. Going to make me go red. It's okay. I'll get you tomorrow. Like Blondie said, one way or another, I'm going to get you. Well, I can confirm if you sing a song, you don't get a copyright strike. Yeah, because in one of my live streams the other day, I think it's one you weren't on for a while, I was singing a song and I was wondering if I'm going to get a copyright strike. Whatever they made upstairs. Actually, I know what they made. They made lasagna. It smells good. It smells good. Okay, well, we don't need, do we need to watch it here? How about we watch NQ over here and we watch gold over here? There we go. Let's see what gold does. NQ. I don't know. Let's see if we get a rug pull and NQ drops drastically, you know, like really quickly by, let's say, 3/4 of a point. No, it's odd though. It's odd because there's always world events going on. Stocks are always moving some way, somehow. It's kind of very odd. I'm cold again. Shit. And I'm wearing my sweater. So I notice when you're not on stream, I don't say I don't remember as much. So I'm thinking maybe it's you do something to my memory. You stress me, and my memory is gone. What did I do? And I don't know. Somehow when you're around and somehow when we're chatting, all I'm saying is I don't remember. I don't remember. I don't remember. They're always testing me. I created a new meme. Fucker didn't show up. He said he was going to show up today. I worked on it for like half an hour. Yeah, now show it to somebody. I'll show it to you. You have your volume on? The guy, what did the guy do? Oh yeah, he hit a winner. And he said, boom. And I said, oh, I could work with that. I could make that his meme. There we go. Ooh, eyes are tearing. But he didn't show up. I don't know. Given what's going on in the world, that's not the most politically correct meme, but who cares? I'm going to spend my life worrying about being politically correct. Huh. Yeah, I'll use it for somebody else. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah. Tomorrow. It debuts tomorrow. How bad am I losing? Oof, $120. And I'm still not stopped out yet. I'm still like $1 away from being stopped out. It'll be a $180 loss. I just want it to dip a little lower and I'll fix my average price. Life will be good. Okay, take care. See ya. Thanks for showing up. Gold, it's got to go down $1. What's the range in gold? 88 cents. Wow, I just took my my view away from the gold for a second. There we go. That's good. I'm happy with that. I survived. Let's see if we can get now a little bit of a dump. Itchy. We don't need both charts. Watching gold. We got where's screen 2? There we go. We can watch gold on the small chart. And we can watch NQ on the top chart. Properties. This looks like a good place to sell NQ based on what's happening. Let's see. I'll share one right at the top. I'll short one. Ah, look at that. That'd have been such a beautiful trade. They didn't film me. Oh well. Hey, I'm at 100. You know what? Let's take another one lot. Take a little piece off. My stop is in the right place. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if we can keep going lower. If we can get a little lower, I can drop my stop even more. Just a little bit lower. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. $2, that's not bad. Boom! My stop comes down to there. Really? You go down and you do a little tiny fucking splinter of a spike, and then you get all excited. You start to shake, rattle, and roll, thinking about going back up. You don't want to take a dump. Let's go down to 33.50. Not gonna make me rich, but I know one lot. It's cool. How about we put in a buy limit over there and see what happens? 58.8. 801. You know what? I don't want to risk it too much. I'm going to take it because I've seen a lot of times when 8 o'clock comes, you get some kind of stupid price action. Oh, shouldn't have removed it. Should have counted to 10. And look at NQ. That's kind of tempting. I'll buy 1, 2. Oh, gold took. Oh my God. One's enough. Let's see if we let's see if we can get something. Wow, I got a gold too early, eh? Can I get, well, you're not going to get 10 points out of this, but can I get 5? There we go, 5 points. Why is one cell limit green and the other cell limit is blue? There we go. Now we don't have that contradiction. Two and a quarter points from target. 2 quarter points. We're almost there. 3 points. Wow, volatility got under 2 points. We were in like the 1.7 point range. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to stick around much longer. Maybe I'll just work on finishing up my video. Oh, wow, we got so close. What else is new? Gold's hitting the toilet. Back down to 43. I missed my 5 points by a quarter point. And gold, I said 33.50 would be really nice. Hello. Nothing doing, man. Totally, totally, totally dead. The markets have been in a 4-point range now for almost 2 hours.
Start off this afternoon. Some weeks are just garbage weeks all the way.
Yeah, well, like I said, it's Independence Day, July 4th on Friday. People got cut out early. Whoa, I got taken out. I'm at a big 114. Woot woot. Hmm. Hmm. Nice move. Nice move. Is this the move? Just got up to the 5 o'clock close. Power off. Power on, stupid. No power off. Ooh. Now we got to figure out how to power it on. Wow, look at that. Look at that rejection right off the 5 o'clock close, eh? Okay, these things got to have a more fucking obvious power button. I fucking play with it for 1,000 times. Hmm. It's so funny, cats and vacuums. My cat would never let me vacuum. It would just go bananas. Hmm. Anything worth watching? Around 42, I can get back in again, or 43. Long, there was a short in gold at 58, but I'm not really watching. Whoa, I'm going to lose power. The lightning or the thunder is going bananas. Right back down into the zone. Okay, we got into a trade on gold. Let's watch gold. Is my stop in the right place? It is. Let's see if we can get lower. No, don't go up. Don't go up. Every time I get in gold, they make me struggle, eh? Doesn't give it to me right away. I always gotta fight with it. Disciplined trading with edge. Committed to trading. Mathematically correct trades. Mathematically correct trading strategy. Okay. Dory. Trading under control. Click, click. Mathematically correct trading. Hoorah. Mother fuckers. Let's go gold, dip lower.
See you later.
Where you going? Pickle?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, be happy to get out. Up 120 or whatever in this kind of death market. Didn't tick me out yet. Once it does, I'll cancel all my orders. Cancel all orders. Once I get filled, I'm canceling all my orders. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye. Come on, we were right there. 5.8. I'm bidding 5.7. 56.
Cancel all orders! Cancel all orders!
That's what I said. I would cancel all orders. 128. Just trying to figure stuff out while it's quiet. Hey, Butterstunts, what the hell? Didn't get a notification you were live. Yeah, I'm not sending them anymore. It's too expensive. So I told YouTube I'm not paying $5 for every notification it sends out to every subscriber. It's coming up to like it was $50, $60 a day already. No, I was just fucking with you. Thanks for the laugh. Now you have to try and get me back. You want to know something that I had? You want to hear stubborn? I had a friend, and we used to make this joke. I started it. I said, you know what I don't understand? And of course, no. And I said, Spanish. Ha 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 ha. And I don't know, like every year or something, I would get her back with that same one. You know what I don't understand? Spanish. Anyways, one day we weren't friends anymore, and I met her on the street like 10 years later. Hey, hi, how are you? It's the pictures of my wife, just the pictures of my kids, all that nonsense. And then I go, you know what I don't understand? She didn't remember I got her. I go, Spanish. That was a good one. That was one of my good ones. You know what else I like to do? There's two other things I like to do with my kids' friends sometimes. One, ask them the same question over and over and over, but not total dad joke. But I don't mean like, are you guys going to, I don't know, make up a club name? Oval. What's the club's name? Are you guys going to Oval tonight? Like, yeah, we're gonna go. Sir, we're leaving at 11 o'clock or whatever. 20 minutes later, hey, you guys going to Oval tonight? And just keep doing it and doing it and doing it till they're like looking at me. What the fuck? Why does this guy keep asking me the same question? Does he not remember anything? That's one of mine. But my favorite one is when I meet someone new, one of my son's friends or something. I start talking to them like this in a loud voice. And especially if there's noise in the room. It works really well if there's noise in the room. But even still, even if there's no noise in the room, it's like whatever. They're sitting across the table. You just start talking, and then, you just get a little quieter like this. And then you just go just a little quieter. And you just continue talking about the thing we said. But, you just bring the volume down, and then they start leaning in forward and trying to listen better. Everyone gets a laugh out of that one. They're not all dad jokes, I hope. I'm trying to figure out how to do something. It's not working. Ah! Yeah, that one's always funny, though. That last one I like. Because they're not sure it's happening. You got to really do it gradual. You got to bring the volume down really gradual. Not just look and then go quiet, Take your time. Just get quieter and quieter and quieter. Okay, I don't know. 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 Okay, well, I'll find out. I might have to try that. Can you believe the death market we're in? This was this is a 4-point box. And except for the few little spurts outside of it, this is 44 to 48. This is 640. This is 840. 2 hours. Almost in a 4-point box. It's boop. 2 hours. It's like 2 hours in a 4-point box. So what did I do? We came down here. I bought one, got out at 48. I made 5 points. Did you do that? What just happened? Everything went dark. Well, I'm tired. There's nobody around today. It's quiet. But that's not entirely true. Omnis was around a little bit. Not for long. And I think that's it. I don't know. Maybe we can see a spurt of volatility get over the previous day's close. I don't know where I made the 128 bucks from. I'm curious. Maybe I take a quick trade in gold just to entertain you. Stop's going to be really tight on this though. There we go. And the buy stop is right there. Okay, we got a trade to watch. Hopefully we break the low of the previous candle. Oh, are you hearing that? No, you're not. Good. How are we doing? We're making money. Going the wrong way. Let's go. Broke the lows. Nice candle. I hope so. Yeah, I'm just bored, but you know what? Maybe I'm just gonna get off. I'm just trying something that Omnia showed me with doing a clip, but it's not working for me. I don't know. I guess I'll just lower my risk. I mean, lower my risk. My stop is close. I'm in at 56.2. Wow, 57.2 a dollar. It's not supposed to be dollars. It's supposed to be 50 cents. These tight stop trades are supposed to be 50-cent trades. No, I don't track the pivot on the on gold. Stop me out yet? No, not yet. The trade I took, like, what was it? 6 minutes ago. I don't even remember if it was a long or a short, but I do remember that I lost. That's what's important. Whoa, we almost got there. One more little spurt. Someone sell a one lot. That's all it's going to need to get it down there. Oh, gold's opening, 9 p.m. Ding, 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 ding. In 1 minute. I'll hold the one lot. This is lower. There we go. Let's move my stop to break even. I want to hold to 51. Isn't that a song? I want to hold to 51. I know where my numbers are. I'm really bored. 51. Why are we picking 51? Notice how we're picking it, not just you, huh? I'm over 55. I'm over 150. 150 for shitty market conditions. Not bad. 5-minute gap fill. Oh, yeah. Let's, do I have a 5? No, I don't have a 5-minute chart. Let's make this a 5-minute chart if I don't get stopped out. Oh, stopped out. Forget the gap fill. Let's go back to VWAP. Really? Is that what they did? They just wicked me. They wicked me and ticked me out. Oh, let's see. If I cut a clip out of my video on YouTube and it's only 60 seconds, then I play it on my computer and record it with OBS and then post it into YouTube, and I do not put hashtag shorts, will they put that in my regular video folder, regular playlist, or will they still put it in shorts because it's only 1 minute? Look at the value of GPT, eh? Okay, keep it as a landscape video, and it gets recorded as a regular video. Okay, butter stunts, if you're still there, I'm gonna call it an evening. 9 o'clock. I'm up 143 on garbage market. NQ, not doing anything. Volume is insanely low. I know that because we're only at 24,000. You should be at 44,000, 40,000. 40,000 contracts should trade by 9 p.m. And we're only at 24. So that's insanely low. Nothing's moving anywhere. I think everyone's gone for the holidays, kind of come back on Monday. Deal me in isn't working anymore. It broke. Hey, it actually isn't working. I was joking. Wait, let's get you a deal you in. Why is it not open? Okay, you gotta wait. It's a big program. Lots of fancy schmancy coding. I'll let you know when it's up and running, because it doesn't tell you. Ready to go. You got a winner. What do you mean maybe? You got 92. Dealer drew 11. Okay, we got to bring you back to a more realistic number of chips. How many chips you want? Call it out before I go. Well, you can't lose all your chips. You get 300 chips when you start chatting, and then I think you get 120 to 100. I think you get 120 chips for every 5 minutes you're in the room or something. I don't know. I'm having a hard time reading the code. I'll give you 11,000. How's that? Or 7,777. How's that for a lucky number? Let's see if it works. But sorry, Futures Floor, that user doesn't exist. Or you spelled their name wrong. Really? Your name looks right. Butter Stunts. It's one word. Oh, Butters. Butter Stunts. Who would put an S after butter? What were you thinking? How many times have I told you? Okay, go away. Not to put an S. There we go. Okay, now you have 707,000. Now you have 7,000. What? Who? What? Who's all in here? I have no idea. It just shows you. One of them is me, because I monitor my stream. One of them may be my wife, which leaves me with one more person. Could be Omnius, could be hanging around. He could be lurking. He got off the stream, but maybe he's lurking. Maybe he didn't turn his computer off. Oh, there he is. Omnius. Yeah, it's not him. He's not in here. So there's still one more person. Butterstunts, Omnius. Omnius, don't go anywhere. How long do I have you for? I got questions for you. No, really? You got to go? Okay, tomorrow. Well, I did a clip. Where is it? I can't download it. I can't get it into my shorts or anything. Here. Futures Floor, Twitter. I did it on YouTube, on my phone, clip. But all I had was to share. See? YouTube, it's got, can you see? Let me see. Boom, 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 boom. Let me put it here. Let me see what you're seeing. Let me get a screen, get rid of screen 1, screen 2. There we go. So there, you see the clip? You see the scissor? YouTube? Why can't you see? It's up now. I click on the clip, and it's a 1-minute clip. Okay, let's try and get in. Better price. Click, click.
I take it they give me the signal, but I just keep it tight.
See, 1-minute clip, 8, 9, 7, blah, blah, blah. No eyes? Limit over here. You have no eyes. You know what? Are you washing them? On Apex, and I forgot about everything else. Are you washing your eyes? Today, I might as well just. Did you take out your eyes? Are they in the dishwasher? Kind of silly not to. Okay, we'll talk about it tomorrow, and Mr. No Eyes.
Yeah, you know YouTube likes everything to be a secret. They don't want to come out and give you a clear answer on anything.
There we go. Where is it playing? Nice. Target 2. Remove my buy limit. Move my stop to where it should be. Okay, we close it. Still lightning and thundering here. Yeah, but how did you get yours into the shorts? I didn't have a place. It didn't say post it. It just said share. I looked everywhere. I clicked everywhere like a maniac. I used the 3 dots on the bottom, clip. Yeah, but you won the fight. What is that? Is that a feature of also Remix? Is that a feature of YouTube? Right now I didn't have that. Did you see it? No, under the video should say Remix. No, I didn't have it. Why aren't you sleeping yet? Okay, so I'm not sure if this will work, but let's see. I remixed it. Not loud enough. Did I do good with the beard? I already had the guy. I had the mushroom cloud. I had the sound. I said, what am I gonna do? Throw it away? He said, okay, let's get the guy bending over. Give him a red beard with some gray. Put Omnius on his shirt. Give him a casquette. That's what I was doing while I'm trying to trade. Yeah, you do. Who do you think that was on the image? Yeah. So I got 2 titles for my psychology video. Give me 8 minutes and you'll get your trading under control. Maybe I should throw a click in there. Click, click. Give me 8 minutes and you'll get your trading under control. Or give me 8 minutes and you'll get your trading under control. Click, click. What was the other one? Yeah, I'll GPT it and I'll see where the remix is. I'll find it. I forgot what I was saying. Oh, what was my other title? I think I told it to you already. I think it's time to go to bed. Oh no, I want to post this video. It said it's going to post it as a 1-minute recap. Okay, good night, good night. See you tomorrow. Okay, everybody, going. That's it. Day's over. See you tomorrow, 9:15.
Not this again. Tried to size down, trumped again. Daddy's home, don't press send. Clicking in while, no anchor, bro. This gotta end. Every morning, same chart, same zone. Market moving fast, I ain't feeling at home. Break of the high, trapped in disguise. Thought I was the king, turns out surprise. But not in fake, house lurking. Price got me sweating, palms straight hurting. Like, come on, man, where's the edge? I knew. Just need my setup clean, let it come through. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, but not for pain. The boss is back, no room for shame. Futures floor taking over the game. Was down bad last week, too much size, no plan, just vibes. Yeah, that's how you die. Now I'm calm, free lot, clean as snow. Clicking that anchor, let that discipline flow. But now them dopamine traps got me chasing green with no recap. Like chill, bro, let that setup bake. Waiting for the moment, let the market break. Click, click, where's my brain? Daddy's home, we trade with aim. The boss is back, no more games. Futures floor, putting clowns to shame. Fake breakouts, pump fakes, wicks that lie. Even caught that lunar move, thought I'd fly. But it don't matter what dreams I rent. If I skip the plan, account gets bent. But nah, them weak trades wild. And no anchor, no click, just straight freestyling. Like, come on fam, that's not the vibe. Run the alive, click, stamp, click, click, watch me grow. Futures floor, got that inner flow. Daddy's home in full control. Let the rest FOMO, we on a roll. He in my oil like it's satisfact, and I'm missing the D. Was lost last week, caught in the heat. Now I'm posted up, clean trade game elite. Tame the urge, let the setup speak. The boss is back, and I ain't missing a beat.